We often think that we need to be the best companies in the world to start getting users for our applications, for our companies. But the thing is that the reality is completely different. And this is what I've learned over the past few years. This is the reason why I'm bringing you this information for you. It doesn't matter if you have already been creating apps for the past few years or if you're just starting out. This will help you a lot. So I would recommend you to stay until the end of this video, because in that way you will have mental clarity that will let you build applications faster and in a better way with more chances to succeed. So the biggest mistakes or the biggest mistake every founder makes is when we start building software as a service, we all think the same. I'm going to make something better. My product will beat the others. My version will be more complete. And we get this completely wrong. We don't really understand at first what really matters. Because in tech, the best product doesn't win. The product that wins is the first one in the user's mind. That's why you will see that a lot of companies are not the best companies, but they win because are the most well known. Let's say you have like 5 or 4 different fast food restaurants, and you have a McDonald's, and all of them have like similar prices, similar. They have a hamburger at, I don't know, specific price. There's high chances that you would go to McDonald's because it's very well known. So this is the trap. I mean, most better products, if they don't have the marketing, or if they are not backed by marketing and a good team, or maybe if you are building on your own, you don't really understand marketing, they lose, because having the best product doesn't matter if you don't differentiate yourself from the competitions. The ones that win got into the mind first, or created a brand new category nobody else claimed. That's why you will see that there are like and thousands of YouTube ads and different kind of ads that you see the ad over and over and over and over again, because they want to be the first ones on your mind when you want to solve a specific problem, when you want a specific solution for your problem. Zoom wasn't better than Skype. Notion wasn't better than Evernote at the start. Stripe wasn't better than PayPal at the beginning. So why did they win? Because they owned a mental category. Zoom is equal to simple video calls. Notion, just one place to organize your brain, okay, completely. Stripe, payments for developers. You see how the thing changes, okay? Now, there are 3 marketing laws that are crucial and are very important when it comes to marketing your software as a service. The first one is leadership. You don't win by being better, you win by being the first in the mind. The second one is category. Okay, if you can't be first, you need to create a category where you are first. That's the most important step. And the last one, I mean, the third law is users don't buy reality. Okay, they buy perceptions. So because of not understanding these laws, I lost years by ignoring this. Building isn't enough. Without a category, your product doesn't exist. Okay, we usually talk about that you need to create a perfect product, and we don't pay attention to these specific things. Okay, what 99% of founders do that destroy their chances is, first of all, they look at the competitors. They try to make something better, copy features, try to appeal to everyone, add a complexity, never validate, launch too late, realize nobody cares, and give up finally at the end. So the problem isn't your code or your skill or your idea. The problem is the mental game you are playing. So the shift is you need to create your own category. It's as simple as that. You need to stop competing, start creating a category you can win by default. Examples. Instead of I'm building an analytics app, you can say analytics for software as a service founders with 0 to 50 users. Instead of I'm building a CRM for coaches who are in their first 90 days. Instead of I'm building a note taking app for developers building minimum viable products. And once you niche your category, you're the first, you're the only, you're the the one that people remember. You stop running the race and you build the track. There is something that we often talk in the channel about the linear startup, which is build, measure, learn, and repeat and know when you need to pivot. But there's something specific behind that that we don't often mention, okay? And it's choosing a category. Before you build anything, you need to choose one, okay? Because category gives you clarity, direction, faster validation, easier messaging, a simple minimum viable product, better user feed, and more traction. Okay, I call it claim, test, and dominate. Claim your category, test it with a simple minimum viable product, and dominate it as the first in that space. And I will give you an example. Okay, if you think about AI writing tool, there are hundreds or even thousands that we don't even know, but you list instantly. But if you pay attention to this specific shift, you can say AI content specifically for solo software as a service founders who need to get users. Okay, new category, clear user, clear need, clear positioning, and no competition. When you create your own game, you win the moment you launch. So when you stop competing, everything becomes easier. You know what to build. You know who it's for. You know how to explain it. You know how to get users. You build faster. You validate faster. You get traction faster. You stay focused. You stay motivated. You actually enjoy building again. You stop chasing and you start leading. So if there's something that I would recommend you to ask yourself is how will differentiate yourself from the competition, and that will change everything. That is one of the most important questions that you can ask yourself. So I hope this video helped you. If this video at least helped you, you can hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds. You can do it. You can subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and turn on the notification bells so you don't lose the next upcoming videos, which will help you a lot, by the way. On the next couple of days, I will be launching Kobo. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.